Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon ROMs. First, let's understand what emulators are. Emulators are software programs that mimic the hardware of older gaming consoles, allowing you to play classic games on modern devices like your computer or smartphone. For example, Visual Boy Advance is excellent for Game Boy Advance titles, while Desmumi handles Nintendo DS games with great fidelity. These tools are your gateway to revisiting beloved Pokémon adventures from various generations, bringing hours of nostalgic fun right to your fingertips. Now that you understand emulators, the next step is obtaining the game files themselves, known as ROMs. These are digital copies of the original game cartridges. You can find Pokémon ROMs by searching online for your desired game title. It's crucial to ensure the ROM file type matches your emulator. For instance, a GBA file for Visual Boy Advance. Always exercise caution and use reputable sources to avoid any unwanted software, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Once you have your emulator and ROM, it's time to set things up. First, download and install your chosen emulator software. After installation, open the application. You'll typically find an option like Load ROM or Open in the menu. Navigate to the folder where you saved your downloaded Pokémon ROM file, select it, and the game should start. You can then customize video, audio, and control settings to your preference, perhaps mapping controls to your keyboard, or a connected gamepad for optimal play. To truly enhance your Pokémon ROM experience, explore the advanced features many emulators offer. One incredibly useful feature is save states, which allow you to save your game at any precise moment, not just at in-game save points. Another popular option is fast forward, which can speed up gameplay by 2, 4, or even 8 times, perfect for grinding levels or traversing long routes. For an even more authentic feel, consider connecting a compatible game controller. It makes battling and exploring much more comfortable and immersive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.